Hi. Who do you think is more dangerous? The one who talks and speak loudly, or the one who is quiet and observes? Obviously, people will think that the one who's talking and threatening others with his loud voice is more dangerous. Not so. Why? Let me explain. You see, when you see someone doing something or saying something, you can make a judgment based on what they are saying and what they are doing. You can evaluate them. You know what's in their mind. You know at least whatever they put out. You know their tone. You know their intention. You know by their action, you will know. But how can you judge someone who's quiet, who's doing nothing, and observing, especially opening their eyes and ears, observing and doing nothing? They are more dangerous. Now, this may mean both in a positive and negative sense also. In a negative sense, it may mean that the person who's quiet having bad intention, then it's dangerous in a negative sense. But in case of when you compare to the quiet one, I mean the quiet one with the loud one, and the loud one has bad intentions, hidden motives, then the quiet ones who have good intentions, they are better. They are more dangerous, but dangerous to the bad guy, right? They are not dangerous to the general innocent people. So, dangerous people are not always loud, and that may mean that quiet person may have good intention or bad intention. That is a different case, but the potential of causing danger is more with the quiet ones because you cannot judge how much they are capable of. You are unable to judge because they say nothing and they do nothing. We are and you are in the blank. You cannot predict what is the next move. Even you don't know what is the capacity. So that's why powerful people are more quiet. If you see the leaders of any entity, organization, or community, the presidents and the leaders, the CEOs, they are more quiet than those below them. There's a reason for that. Both they have to hide their powers, and they don't have time also to speak nonsense. Leaders at the top, they speak only when it's required, and that is their power. So, next time you see someone talking loud, threatening others, don't believe that they are dangerous. In fact, it may mean the opposite. They are trying to cover up their insecurity by being loud. Another way of saying is still waters run deep. There is a quote which says still waters run deep, and it's true. Wherever when you see a river, wherever that river is having depth, it will remain still. And when it meets the shallow part, it will make noises. Just like the empty vessels sound much. Another quotation. These are all related to the same fact that the person who's quiet, or the community which is quiet, or any entity that is quiet, I'm talking about humans, even some animals also, they are more dangerous because we cannot judge, we cannot assume how much they are capable of making damage. That's why also that if you see someone in your community or in your family that they don't talk most of the time, try to talk to them, because you have to know what's in their intention. And if you're quiet, people will start talking to you, and people will be afraid of you to don't talk to them because they don't know what you have in your mind. They will even distrust you, they'll be afraid of you, they'll tell many bad things about you if you're quiet for too long. It's not good for your health also, it's not good for their intention also. Thank you so much. See you next time. And if you like, please hit that like button and share.